Stop by and take a look at the 2013 SLK class. You might say it all started on the finish line. We won't be telling those still at the start line. Choose the Mercedes SLK class and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.